Welcome. In front of me is a Gigaset GS190, and today I'll show you how to boot this device into safe mode. And to get started, hold your power key. When you see the boot options, you want to hold power off option. This will bring up this window, reboot to safe mode. So let's confirm it by tapping on OK, and while it's rebooting, I'm going to quickly tell you what this mode is used for. So when you boot your device into safe mode, all the applications that you have downloaded yourself from Play Store or whatever else will be disabled. They won't be able to start, and you also won't be able to turn them on. And only basically all essential apps like phone, messages and stuff like that, the applications that come with the device, will be accessible. And that is so you can basically troubleshoot your device. So if you have some kind of problem with your phone, battery draining too quick, boot it into safe mode, see if the problem still persists. If it does, that means that some kind of app is basically using your battery for no reason. But if the problem still persists, that means that it's the fault of the phone itself and not something that you have downloaded or installed. And also, when it's in safe mode, you can see we have this permanent watermark right here, just so you are always aware that you are in this mode. And yeah. And once you're done with it, all you need to do to leave it is hold power key, and this time around tap on reboot. And once it boots back up, it will be then back in the normal mode. And as you can see, we are now back in normal mode. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.